and welcome to this great, amazing kit that has been done for you, purposely compiled for you. So, here we're going to look at a whole online course for a life changing program for you. All right, especially for those in junior high school. So, welcome to You Got Champions Kit. You Got Champions Kit as for those in upper primary, junior high school, and those in lower primary as well. You can be able to have a look at this and see how best that is going to make an impact in your life. I'm Mrs. Kadish Nancy doing this recording right away from France, and I am an international business consultant and a life coach, and I would want to share something important with you. I've been able to come far by planning and doing a lot of things, and by God's grace, now I am the founder for Revista, the educator app, and Smart Diary in France. So I would want to be able to help your words to be able to navigate their path, to be able to achieve whatever dream or whatever goal they set their minds to do. You know, a lot of people don't have goals. Some of them are really struggling as to how to come up with a good goal. So these models have been compiled in order to help these children in different aspects of their lives in order to become great children and become successful in life. So I'm going to walk you through on all the modules that we're going to do, and it's going to give you a 1 year access that is going to be online. You make the payment and you can connect online and you can be able to learn at your own pace, at your own convenience, either from home, anywhere. And when you're able to finish the over 28 modules that I have been able to put together, you will be amazed how your life is going to turn out. I specifically did this for you because I've been trained over 30,000 people from Europe and from Africa, Asia, and the other parts. You know, I got to the realization that there are a lot of challenges, a lot of problems that most of these students are facing. And as you being the parent, I would encourage you that this is a life transformative online course that they can be able to learn at their own pace and be the better version of themselves. So I'm going to walk you through the modules that we're going to look and help us build tomorrow's champions and change makers tomorrow. All right. So we're going to look at mastering the mindset and goal setting. We're also going to look at the temperament master. That is, who am I? Knowing who you are can determine how far you can go. And then family relationship management, how people relate with each other and the impact it makes on everyone. And then also we're going to look at financial literacy, how to manage money. You know, most of the times people are not trained from the onset. So when they grow up, by then they had cultivated some level of mindset that has become part of them in their conscious mind and their subconscious mind, and it becomes a little bit difficult to change and even make that leap in their finances. So that's what we're going to look at in this module. And then we're going to look at creating a career path. Where are they going? What do they want to be? How are they going to get there? So we're going to look at this into details and how to handle your downtime. You know, most people, they don't know how to handle their downtime when they fail at something or they come across any little challenge. They want to give up. They want to throw in the towel. We're not going to let that happen. We're going to walk all the way with them. We're going to hold their hands so that we can help build great leaders for tomorrow. And then we're also going to look at the power of social media. These days, the influence and the impact of social media on our children, it's really getting alarming because most of the children, when you compare the results that we're getting from their national exam, especially the BC and then the WASE, it's not really encouraging. It's really going down, 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 down. And I would want us to help fix this together and redirect the mindset of our children and help them navigate the path into the right direction. We're also going to look at another module that will be strategic study planning and memory techniques, helping them to identify the best way to study, and teacher and colleague management. We'll also look at all subject SWOTs and the power of 1 mark. There was a time I had this model session with the children. They say, Auntie Nancy, just 0.5, I could have gotten a 1. I say, yeah. And just 1 mark, I could have gotten an A. I say, yeah. So all these things we are going to look at, going to delve into it, into much details and help our young generation to be the best children they can be. And then we're going to look at mastering questions, analysis and answer techniques, and SHS program, aggregate requirement, SHS category. Which category of senior high school are your children going? Where do they see themselves? Is this something they think is reachable or it's not reachable? We're going to walk them through all these. And then before I sit for BSc or any standard exams, how should I prepare? What should I look forward to? What should I do? And then we're going to also look at the worth of family and personal branding, the effect of each person on the family perspective or on the family stage. If we mention your name, if we mention your child's name, what effect do we get, or what impact does it make or bring to the people? All right. Then we're looking at external family relationship management. We're also going to look at love and peer influence. Yes, these days when you go to most of our schools, a lot of things are happening there. So we're going to help them and walk them through so that they can become the best people ever. All right. And we're going to look at what you eat. The food that our children are eating, what is it contribute? What are they eating? What is the quality of what they are eating? Why should they eat what they eat and at what time and all that? And then we're going to also look at talent trailblazer, that's entrepreneurship. Is it right for a child to dream big? Is it right for a child to say that I want to own a business and all that? We're going to delve into all these things, how they want to, if they have ideas, how they would want that idea to materialize. Are they going to go about the legal structure of everything? I've taught a lot of people and I can be able to help your words as well. And we'll also look at self-confidence and social integration. Some people, when they move from one school to the other, you realize that they are not able to integrate properly, and sometimes there are some few challenges that they face, and it ends up that they lose their self-confidence and all that, and that affects them in the long term. So we're going to look at leadership as well, and we'll look at bullying. These days, you go to most of the schools, people are bullying each other, teachers are bullying teachers, and students are sometimes bullying their friends. And sometimes people don't even feel like going to school. And I've dealt with a lot of situations like that. I wouldn't want your ward to go through that stage and be left out. I'm also going to look at teenage pregnancy. These things are also ongoing and people are aborting and all that. And in the long term, it becomes a problem for them. We wouldn't want that to happen. So we have to train them. We have to psych their mind that, hey, this is the reality. You do A, B, you get C. You don't do A, B and expect to get a different thing. You will definitely get the result you put in. All right, what you sow is what you reap. So we also look at gender inequality and discrimination. When people are coming from different cities, different churches, different religious backgrounds, and they meet at one point, sometimes there's that kind of discrimination that we also have to address. And then we're looking at the punctual child. Who is that punctual child? Is your child getting to school? If lesson starts at 8, is he getting to school at 8? Or what time is he getting to school? What is the impact in the short term, mid term, and the long term? We're also going to look at exploitation and abuse. These days, yeah, there is abuse in the home. Sometimes you have the house helps and those that aid our children in certain aspects, they exploit them. So we're going to look at this and talk to you children about it as to what to do. What when they see these things, what should they do? A lot of things that goes into it. All right. And another one will be obeying rules and regulations. When they go to school, are they able to obey rules and regulations? In the house, do you set rules and regulations? And then when they go to churches, they go to different locations, are they able to follow the rules and regulations that they go by? And that is what they would begin to exhibit, especially when they grow up and they find themselves in the job market. And we're going to look at your legacy. What becomes of you? What will people say about you when you grow up or when you are gone? So this is a beautiful online course that you would need to get for your wards. It's actually going to be a yearly access. You're going to have a whole 1 year pack where you can have access, and the models and the videos will be uploaded from time to time, weekly, and also during the month till the 1 year elapses, so that they can be able to learn as this being part of their personal development program that you're supposed to have. Because I've been able to train different people from different countries, different from Europe, Asia, and name the country that I've not trained or mentored somebody from, and I mentor people from France, from top business schools. So, and then also mentoring students over 30,000 from Ghana, from Cape Coast University, Ghana Communication Telecom University as well, and a whole lot. And then training junior high school through my books, The Pillars, The Foundation for a Successful Life. Putting all this together, I realized that there were a lot of lapses and then challenges that these children are facing that would need to have a special package for them so that I can walk them through on regular basis, so that if they do have some questions, I am an international business consultant and a life coach in France, so they can book an appointment on nancelpro.com if they would want to have a one-on-one session. And you can also send us an email at hello@revista.com, or send us a WhatsApp on our Ghana number. And then with that, we can be able to schedule a session for you. If you would want a full mentorship program, we can be able to do that for you as well, whichever country you are. If you go on nancelpro.com, you can be able to choose the time, but also remember that the location is in France. So if you're choosing your country location, kindly pay attention to that, and we'll be more than happy to serve you and help your ward become the best they can be. Thank you so much for buying the course, and also invite your friends, other parents, your siblings to also purchase the program, so that every month, every week, when we upload a video, they can be able to learn that as part of their personal development program for the year 2026 and then the beyond. All right. So thank you so much, parents. I wish you all the best, and be great at nurturing the future leaders and the change makers. Thank you.